Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get rid of sciatic pain using reflexology. This will be a simple pain relief tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Reflexology is the art of using the pressure points on the underside of your foot that connect to various parts of your body to relieve pain, relieve pressure, and just make you feel better overall. So you can see we have the underside of my foot over here. There's a very specific part of the underside of the foot that is correlated with the sciatic nerve, and it's the same part on both feet. So I'm showing you with my right foot over here, but you can by all means do the same thing with your left foot. I recommend that you do it with both. I want you to try with your right foot and with your left foot and see if you get any pain relief. So if you look where the heel is right here, okay, between the heel and the actual center over here, the arch of your foot, okay? Even if you don't have an arch, like I barely have an arch at all, but this is still considered the arch point of the foot. So between the heel and the arch of the foot, there's actually a little line right here that, and you can sort of see when I'm almost drawing it on my foot with the discoloration right there that my finger is causing, that little line right there is connected to the sciatic using reflexology. So what you want to do is you want to essentially massage that part, okay? Now, I don't want you to try and massage just that exact tiny little spot because you might be off. You might be massaging right here when in reality it's over here, okay? So I would recommend that you massage across this entire area, just so you know that you're kind of targeting that point at some point, okay? So there are a few different massages that you can do. The first one is using your thumbs. So you want to get your palms around your foot like this, and I want you to just use your thumbs to apply pressure to that area and sort of give yourself like almost like a pulsation. And like I said, you're doing the same thing on both feet, your right foot and your left foot. Obviously at different times. You can't do it at the same time because you're using both hands, but do the same thing with both feet, okay? Just like that, okay? Just like that. The next thing that I want you to do is using your four fingers like this, I want you to apply a circular motion like this underneath the underside of your foot, just like that. A circular motion just like this. If you have some cream that you want to put on your foot, that's even better because it will really help also. By having the cream on your foot, it just makes it a little bit easier to go and rub it in the proper way, okay? The next thing that I want you to do is I want you to comb using your fingertips. So comb downwards like this, okay? And you want to get the sides as well, the middle and the sides, okay? Just like that. The next thing that I want you to do is go across, because that's the direction that the reflexology of the sciatic nerve underside of your foot goes. It goes across, right over there, across. So I want you to take your fingers and just sort of glide them across like that. And I want you to apply a good amount of pressure. You don't have to really put a lot of pressure, but just apply a good amount of pressure, okay? Just like that. And you want to try that for a few minutes on each foot and see if you experience any sciatic pain relief. Everyone responds differently to reflexology. Some people respond really well, and others it doesn't, their body doesn't respond as well. But it's definitely worth a try because if you're feeling some sciatic pain, it's going to help you out. It will hopefully help you out. My dad has some serious sciatic pain with his sciatic nerve. He calls it sciatica when he gets the pain. I don't know if that's the official term for it, but he started using reflexology after I showed him this, and he feels a lot better. So like I said, for him it works. For myself, whenever I feel something in my body, I use reflexology and it helps me out. It might help you out too, so it's worth a shot. Yeah, that's it. Do the same thing on both feet. Try it out. See if you get any relief from the pain. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.